William stands before the WonderGate at twilight as the glow sprites swarm in frantic disarray. Their star trail, once a steady ribbon of light, now lies shattered into drifting, dying sparks. Chewie paces nervously with his tail tucked low, while Bubbles flutters desperately to catch a stray fragment that vanishes the moment it is touched. The air is heavy with a sense of broken magic. William reaches out, his fingers hovering inches from the ancient wood. Suddenly, the WonderGate groans, emitting a sharp silver-gold pulse that illuminates the entire yard. A new symbol burns into the frame. The symbol is a pulsating star trail. It begins to flicker in a specific rhythmic code. Blink, 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 blink.
Blink, blink, blink. The glow sprites chime in perfect harmony, mimicking the sequence with their tiny, ringing voices.
Understanding the call, William taps the glowing symbol. The air ripples like water, and the trio suddenly shrinks. They tumble through a vortex of light, landing softly in the Starpath meadow. Around them, floating star pieces drift like embers in the wind. In the very center of this strange land, a massive star arch stands hollow and dark, its core completely missing. William steps toward 3 jagged pattern stones embedded in the grass. He touches the star symbol, and the fragments ignite with a soft, melodic hum. Chewie, sensing his role, nudges the trail symbol with his nose, forcing the scattered light into a straight, disciplined line. Bubbles pecks the pattern symbol, causing glowing sequences to hang suspended in the air. Yet, the arch remains dim. 3 complex sequences appear before them. Blink, 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 another blink, 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 and finally, the most intricate pattern. Blink, 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 blink. William watches the glow sprites repeat this 3rd sequence,
realizing it is the key to everything. The tension mounts as the meadow flickers, waiting for the final connection.
William grabs a floating fragment and carefully slots it into the arch. He adds 2 more, then 3, following the rhythm precisely. Chewie shoves the final heavy piece into the center. Suddenly, the arch erupts in a blinding,
magnificent flash. The star trail reforms instantly, stitching the meadow back together with golden threads of light. The glow sprites spiral through the arch, their brilliance becoming almost too bright to behold.
The chaos is gone, replaced by a perfect, shimmering order. William looks at his friends, his face glowing with pride.
"Patterns guide the way," he says softly. He leads them toward the pulsating gate as the meadow hums in gratitude.
They land softly on the backyard grass as the glow sprites zip overhead, painting the night sky with a perfect,
unbroken trail. The gate clicks shut behind them, returning to its wooden form. Suddenly, William's backpack pulses with a fresh light. A new icon has appeared, a glowing clock leaf. "The learning tree calls for us," he says, turning toward the path ahead. "A new adventure is already beginning."